Been raining for a whole week and we are stuck in a home. Wanted to go for a picnic as the term holidays is going to end. Finally, the wait is over. Welcome to Nashath's Oz Lifestyle. Amaze Miniature Park. Let's explore this wonderful family-friendly attraction with so much to see and do for all ages. This video highlights a little bit of it.
1, 2, 3.
Looks like quail. Is it quail? Some partridges.
Yeah.
Some partridges. Here, go into the maze.
I don't want to go in that maze.
Over 7 feet tall, beautifully manicured hedge maze is sure a challenge. We have to discover 6 hidden letters from this place.
This way, we're going back to this side.
I think we are in the wrong way.
Oh man, yeah, we are.
No, we are stuck. We are stuck.
Welcome to the model miniatures. Many of the miniatures are exact replicas of well-known historic buildings. The Eiffel Tower is the most paid monument in the world. Abingdon Village, which is the oldest inhabited town in England. Other models include replicas of famous buildings in France, Spain, and Germany. And we have come to the kids' favorite train town. It's the Thomas and his friends.
It's not working. Start. See, it's coming. Starting. The thing is there.
His friends also.
Yes. It stops. I think the button is there. If you press
I
there.
think the girls time.
You are this.
12-hole mini golf. They provide a variety of club sizes suitable for all ages from toddler to grandparent.
Yes, very good. Just wait there. Just wait there. Yay! Rada? Lift your hand.
Welcome to the Lego exhibit. All these models were built by the local Lego enthusiast. Can also book a high tea in this 1940s tea house. You can sit outside and play chess. After a satisfying, engaging time, we reached a nearby musalla for prayer and lunch.
I want to watch.
and watch it.
Our hearts filled. I hope yours too. See you in another video. Subscribe and thanks for watching.